Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Tanmay and today we are going to unbox the Boats 1200. So let's open up the box. First of all, we have got this speaker. It's too heavy, it's 1.8 kgs. Then we have got a shoulder strap because it's too heavy, so we can't carry in hand. There's manual, another manual, a warranty card, a USB-C cable, and an aux pad. At first look, the speaker looks very sturdy. The build quality is too good. Let's turn it on.
Bluetooth mode.
The RGBs look too good. They're too good. So let's see how it sounds. Okay, so we'll now play some audio and check how the sound quality. And we'll play copyright sounds. Non-copyright की माँ की चूत लौड़ा देखते कौन copyright मारता है.
Riding Harleys in Hawaii, I'm on my back, I'm holding tight, I want you to take me for a ride. When I hula, so will you take me to the Jula, it's pink and purple in the sky, we're riding Harleys in Hawaii, let me run my fingers through your salty hair, go ahead, explore the.
Okay, so we just heard the sound test and the speaker sounds phenomenally nice. The bass is too good. The mids and highs are also good. But if you're a bass lover, you must definitely try this. At this price point, I guess this is the best speaker to buy for the bass. The mids and highs are okay, not that good, but the bass is extremely nice. The bass is deep, it's thumpy, and it's excellent. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.